Today, we'll show you how to create a column chart like this one in Power BI. To create our chart, first click on the Stacked Column Chart button in the Visualizations pane, and then resize the chart. Now we need to choose the data that will appear in the chart. Click on the arrow to the left of the table to expand it to see the table columns, and then move the sector column to the x-axis and move the sector column to the y-axis, and make sure it says Count of Sector as the aggregation. Let's change the title for the chart. To do this, select the Format Visuals button. Under General, change the title for the chart to Number of Magnificent Seven Stocks by Sector. Next, let's add a table so that we can see the chart details. Click on a blank area of the report page and then click on Table in the Visualizations pane and resize. Add symbol and sector as the columns to view in the table. Add a text box to the report to serve as a title. We will change the size of the text to 24 and enter Question 1, what sectors do the Magnificent Seven belong to, as the title. Now we have a report page with a column chart and a table that shows the detail for our column chart. Both visuals are interactive. Clicking on a sector refreshes both the chart and the table. If you found this tutorial helpful, please leave a like on this video. You can also support our channel by becoming a member. We've left a membership link in the description below. Thanks for watching.